Hello, I'm Linord. Moudou. Vincent Macquarie is off today. This is Africa 54. The World Health Organization says Ebola could infect more than 20,000 people across West Africa by the time the outbreak is over. The agency on Thursday launched a $490 million campaign to fight the epidemic that it says has killed at least 1,550 people and infected more than 3,000. The majority of cases have been in Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Guinea. Many of the victims are from Liberia, where the medical aid group Doctors Without Borders says it is struggling to keep up with the demand for care for Ebola patients.
We've opened this center a week ago. It's completely full today. We are desperately trying to get more beds. We have bulldozers and rub holes getting up.
The director of the U.S. Centers for Disease Control gave an ominous projection of the Ebola epidemic Wednesday after visiting a treatment center in Monrovia.
There is need for urgent action. The world has never seen an outbreak of Ebola like this. Unfortunately, not only are the numbers large, but we know that there are many more cases that have been diagnosed and reported, and that cases are increasing. I wish I didn't have to say this, but it is going to get worse before it gets better.
Doctors Without Borders says the Ebola epidemic has crippled some healthcare systems. The aid group says some clinics have reopened, but workers are not returning out of fear of contracting the disease. Authorities say at least 120 medical workers have died from Ebola. Nigeria reported 2 more cases Thursday, bringing the country's total to 15 with 6 deaths. Joining us now is Cynthia Areh of Channels TV, our broadcasting partner in Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome, Cynthia. Cynthia, welcome to the program.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here again.
These 2 new cases have been reported in Port Harcourt, which is a different area of Nigeria altogether with regards to the initial cases. Can you tell us about how these 2 patients got there? Hello, Cynthia, can you hear me? Cynthia, did you hear my question? And we're having a little technical difficulty with Cynthia Areh, who was joining us from Nigeria. Hopefully we'll be able to talk to her soon.